Today I'm back with the recipe for the homemade spaghetti sauce, perfect with the homemade meatball recipe in the previous video. And if you haven't seen that, I'll link to it in the description. Start by adding about 1 medium diced onion to 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot. I'm using a Dutch oven. Saute those until done and pretty much translucent. And then you're going to want to add in 4 to 5 minced cloves of garlic. You only want to cook those for about a minute because you don't want those to burn. Then add in about 1/2 cup of water. I will be adding another 1.5 cups of water later. Stir that a little bit and then add in 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, about 2 cups of tomato sauce, and 6 ounces of tomato paste. Go ahead and add in your other 1.5 cups of water. Then you're going to want to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and that's optional, but I love the taste. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of dried basil. I was out, so again I used Italian seasoning. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Just keep mixing that all together and let that simmer for at least 30 minutes. This recipe makes a lot, so you can freeze what you're not going to use right away. The easiest way to freeze it that I find is to let it cool completely, transfer it to freezer bags, and then you can lay those flat, and that makes for easy storage that takes up very little space. So here I'm cooking some spaghetti, and I'm also baked some garlic toast. And here are the meatballs that I made. And here's the complete dish. I've topped that with some shredded cheddar cheese. Try these recipes and enjoy.